Hey, what's up, everybody? And I got a question for you. Have you ever procrastinate because you were tending to kind of be afraid of failing? Or maybe you feel were afraid that what you want to do won't work. And hey, I've been there. And this is a new year. This is a new year, and it's a new year of mistakes. And maybe you can hear my voice. My voice is not quite better right now. I still got a flu, but I'm here with you guys. Anyway, this is a fresh start for a new mistakes. Yeah, you heard me right. And that's the first time I say that thing. And I see people coming in. Hey, Mariana, how are you? So that's the first time I say that this year is a year of mistakes. If you were ask me like 2 years from now, do you going to do that project or new contact or new that? I will say, heck no, I will not going on videos. I will not do that. I will not tons of things because I was afraid of doing things. And this sentence that I just said, this is a new year. This is a new year of mistakes. I was afraid to even say mistake because I was afraid of failing big time. Mariana says, hey, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Good to see you here. So let's make it not the year of mistakes, but the year of lesson. Are you with me on that? So what I mean is, like I said, I never thought I would ever say a sentence like that, because I was afraid of showing up on videos that people will laugh at me. I was afraid of putting content out there or making new projects or new courses because I was afraid that it won't work. That means I'm a failure. That means I'm not good enough. That means people will laugh at me. Really, that was for me like a huge one. I was so paralyzed by that fear that I haven't done a thing for many, many years. I was in the backgrounds, doing things, small things here and then, but was afraid to really go and show up because I was afraid that I get mocked, that it won't work, that means I'm a failure. Simple as that. And I didn't just share that with you right now because I want to get you inspired. I want you to do stuff. I want you to make that mistakes in order to actually get out of the fear. So how can we do it? How can we actually grasp it? Very simple. 2 steps. Are you with me here? If you are here with me, just comment below, hey, heck yeah, or hashtag replay if you watch the replay. So I love that quote of Robin Sharma, and that is, dream big, start small, act now. That means, like I said, I will go back again. Dream big, start small, act now. What does it mean? It means it's a new year. You must build your resolution. If not, go build your resolution right now. But focus on one thing that you want to accomplish the most. Right now, the thing that you procrastinate the most, that's the things that you're afraid the most. Start with that. Start with the things that you procrastinate over and over, that you found yourself say, I will do that tomorrow. I will get that tomorrow. I will get that next week. I will get that next month. And you keep on delaying on that. What is that thing? Do you have it on your mind? If so, what is it? What is it that you are going to act right now? Comment below. Let's create that accountability. Let's create that kind of action step right now. So what is it that you are going to do right now? Mariana says, heck yeah, love it. I love it. I love your passion. Let's make it happen. What is the thing that you said, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it next week, that you procrastinate over and over, that you want to nail that right now? What is it? Comment below. Let's make that thing happen. So that's the first thing. Become aware to it. Become what is the thing that you are procrastinating the most. Because if we're not aware, we can't make that change. For example, when I was a kid, I was a huge dude, and I said like I had big bones. That means I wasn't aware to the problem. I get excuses. I'm big bones. I'm born like that. I can't lose weight. I tried tons of diets. Nothing worked, and so on and so forth. I never was honest with myself. So the first thing, like I said, become aware. What is the problem that you're going to nail? What is the thing that you're going to own right now? Comment below. Let's make that transition right now. That's for transformation. That's the first step. The second step is, after you know what is it that you are striving for, what is the thing that you're going to get no matter what, start small. Act now. Remember that. Mirjana says, promoting my parental yoga classes. Love it. Love that you are doing right now. Just admit that. That's bold. That takes guts, and you got that. I'm sure that you got it because you just admit of that. So that's amazing. Let's get to that. Promote my parental yoga classes. What is the first step that you got to do right now? Focus on the small step. Remember, small steps will get you the massive action because it's all starts with small steps. When we create one after another, it's like ripple in the water. If you throw one stone, you have like this small one. But if you throw one after another, after another, after another, it will create like this massive ripple. That's how you create massive action. With small steps come the massive action. So what is the small step that you're going to take right now? Tomorrow morning or right now, what is it that you're going to do in order to get that? In order to actually make it through. Let's create that accountability. Let's create that momentum because you are on it right now. So let's actually create more momentum. What is it that you're going to get right now? What is the first action? Now, after you got that and you got it on your mind, you wrote it here, you're commenting, you're doing, you're getting that action, it's the third step. The first step, really simple. After you make that action, see and write what worked, what didn't work. At the same moment you done it, what worked, how did you feel about it? And later on, if something didn't work, write it on the spot, because then you can actually learn from it and celebrate the achievement that you just done it. Because when you actually write it down, that means, yeah, I got it, I own it, I'm doing it right now. Okay, so Mirjana said, okay, I will make a post about benefits. Love it. Love it. That is the way of getting ahead. So do it first thing in the morning or right now. It's your choice, whatever it is. But why first thing in the morning? Because first thing in the morning is when our brain is in fresh. It's just restarting, rebooting kind of, if you will. And it got like the most power of thinking in the morning. So we got to use it. So use that power straight thing on the morning. Do that action, write it down, what worked in that action, and then celebrate it. After you celebrate it, because you own that, because you are doing, you're acting, you are not just sitting on the fence. You're actually making it. So celebrate it. Show yourself that you're doing it. And when something didn't happen, write down what haven't happened, and then you learn from it. To the next one, to the next one. Does that make sense? If it does, just comment below that I know that it makes sense to you. If you watch the replay, just hashtag replay that I know it makes sense to you. And hey, if you love this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more content of it. And if you watch it on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And I really appreciate you for being here, doing those actions, really making that commitment. I love to see that. That means you're the real deal and I believe in you. So let's make that happen, and I will see you next time. I really appreciate you for being here. I will see you next time. Have a great one, and let's start the best year 2020 and let's rock it. Hell yeah, I love it. Yes, Mirjana, yeah, let's make that happen. I will see you next time. Have a great one.